Okay, here we go. First question. What course or courses did you complete with Bralca? I attended 2 courses. The first one was drones in agriculture, and the second one was farm mapping and data collection. This was a great introductory to learn how to fly a drone, manage a drone, and how to use it in agriculture. Then the second one went into more detail in how to map your property, and then using that data and collecting that data to then learn how to manage your crops better. Second question. What were the main topics you learnt about? With the drones in agriculture, I learned how to fly a drone. I learned how to fly a drone safely. The regulations with CASA are extremely important, and learning how to set up your drone for the work that you want to do is not only important for your safety and the people that you work with, but also for the community. And understanding what type of drones there are, the controls that you have, and what you are allowed and cannot do when you're flying a drone around your property. The second one was more in depth. Farm mapping and data collection. We learned how to use the apps, different apps, and what apps were out there to 3D map and take images and transects of your property. We also learned how to use that information to then manage your crops. For example, the cost effectiveness of it, the time effectiveness of it, and knowing how to use that information and that digital information to go to your other tools that you have on a farm, such as your tractor, and everything that can be used together then can help your efficiency in your farming. Third question. Who would you recommend this course to? I would definitely recommend this course to anyone in the industry of agriculture and farming, particularly farmers who haven't grown up with digital technology. This is a game changer. It helps instill confidence. It also helps the farmers know how to use another tool to help with their time management and effectiveness. And it also can be a safety aspect when using the drone, instead of actually going out every time by yourself in a vehicle. So I definitely recommend it to those in the industry. I'd also recommend it to adult learners and also students who are learning new skills to upskill themselves to come into the industry. Last question. What was your learning experience with Team Bralca? Oh, that's the easiest one of all. It was sensational. The learning that I got from Ben and Brooke about drones, mapping and data collection was amazing. Not only did they help me understand about agriculture and how the drones can be used. I'm an educator, I'm not a farmer, I'm not in the industry, but understanding how a drone can map a transect of a farm to then be used to help manage the crops was amazing. It also opened up many doors for me in terms of networking with others within the courses. The people that were also in the courses I felt were also supported, not only during the time of the course, but after the time of the course. Ben and Brooke are so good at following up with anyone that does their course to make sure they're still understanding and implementing what they've learned, and if they need any more follow-up questions. So yeah, definitely would recommend Bralca to train and upskill anyone in this area or who is going into drones, technology, and their industry of farming. And that's a wrap.